In this video, we will learn how to set print area in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. Here in this Excel, I have two tables, but I want only this data in PDF. So I set this for print. So I select the full table with the extra space. Then go to the page layout. In page setup, have option print area. Just click on this arrow. Here see the first option, set print area. Just click on it. When you click on the set print area, here you see the line draw here, and just go to the file tab and click on the print option. Only set print area is selected to print. Then click here the PDF and you can print your data. Here you see save as a PDF and just save your data. That's it. If you want to check, here you see only selected print area is print. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.